WaveAce has several acquisition modes that are designed to capture a variety of waveforms for a variety of applications. The acquisition mode can be changed by pressing the Acquire button on the front panel. The default mode is sampling. This is a real-time sample mode that digitizes the incoming signal at the rate specified at the bottom of the menu. It is the most commonly used acquisition mode. As the time per division is changed, the sample rate changes with it. Peak detect mode will look for fast changes in the captured waveform and find glitches as small as 2.5 nanoseconds. Average mode will calculate and display a specified number of averages. The other acquisition settings include sin x over x interpolation, which will interpolate additional points in the waveform when compared to the default linear interpolation. Equivalent time enables higher sampling rates on repetitive signals. The max sample rate is 50 gigasamples per second.